Thousands of you attended the free Movies in the Park events along the banks of the Grand River in Grand Rapids this summer. There were 6 movies in all, and the economic impact numbers are in. 24-hour News 8's Mark Thompson is live in studio right now with a breakdown for us. Mark?
Yeah, good afternoon, Sue. This morning, the Downtown Development Authority released its assessment and analysis of the Movies in the Park events. They estimate 19,000 people attended the 6 movies shown at Anabwin Park this summer, spending an average of $12 downtown at restaurants and other venues for every $1 invested by the DDA to put on the summer movie series. Now, through surveys, the DDA found 76% of attendees were from the greater Grand Rapids area, but surprisingly, a lot of folks, 22% of attendees traveled 30 miles or more to see the free movies. 74% came by car, 22% biked or walked, with roughly 3% using public transportation to get there.
In total, I think we had a great year. Over 19,000 people came to our downtown, and we were able to lever over $400,000 of economic impact.
The DDA is already working on some improvements and selecting the movies for next year. Sue?